start of an audax and it's not raining and it's a little bit chilly. It's about 2 degrees or so, but I think it's going to get up to 10 degrees, so I'm so excited. So this is the start. As you can see, lots of people getting ready, and I've got to finish. It's got to be like the third one on it, third time lucky. But it's going to go up into the peak, so it's like 2,500 meters, so 200k, 207k to be precise, and 2,500 meters. But today I just feel so much better about it. That when it was raining last time, I was like, I'm not going to finish this before I even set off. But today I'm feeling hopeful. My hands are a little bit chilly, but because there's loads of climbing, I do love the hills, so I'm so excited. Look at that view! It's having a very quick toilet break. What, have you noticed anything different about me? Anything at all? I don't have a big thick coat on or gloves. It means that spring is almost here. The sun's out. It's pretty chilly going down some of the hills, but all in all, it's good. It's very good. Happy to be out back on the road. Although when I was riding, when we set off, we were like, oh, our bikes feel weird. I was like, oh, maybe it's just because we're not used to riding outside, we're just used to Zwift. I was like, what is this feeling riding on the road? This is the top of Mam Tor. By bike anyway. Top's up there. We just come down, come up that way, and we're going to go up there and then down the other side. I love it, it's so much fun. Ah, look how good that is. It's just incredible. Look at that view. All the snow is still on the road. It was like either side, all the way this like massive long road. I don't know what that is though, that's a sign. Look how high up it is off the floor. It's warmed up though, although I've had to put the gloves back on and off, and then on and off again, and then on again, and then off again, and then the jacket on and off. And then... Richard, how many times do you think I've taken my jacket on and off?
About 10.
And he's not even exaggerating, it must be 10 times. It just keeps getting hot and then cold, and then it gets dark and then windy and then sunny, and then you go up a climb and then you're hot and then you're down and you're cold. It's all good. There is no rush. There is no rush. Woo! At the last stop before like home, this is the last one out, and this is a little tip for you because my battery is so low. I've got the K-Edge mount, and it means that you can actually charge and have it clicked into the lock. Like a lot of them, let me show you what I mean. So like a lot of them, you have to have it like poking out. But as you can see there, show you there. See, it's actually charging and it's locked in. Whereas before I had that with a Garmin mount, you had to just have it like kind of out a little bit so it would charge. But so I've got the wire from there through there, and then into the bag, charging as I go. This is good. Amazing. Amazing. So yeah, a bit hungry. I didn't film it, I Instagrammed it, I put it on my live story thing. We had a pita bread and crisp sandwich, which was pretty fancy. It was nice. So I was going to stop and have something very quick now, then head off and then maybe stop at a co-op or something later on. Oh, this is my bag of tricks. Gels, hike bar, my favourite Cliff bar, and some high five stuff. I'm going to put that in soon actually, I think. Might as well.
If your measurement's a bit out, you'd be a bit lost, wouldn't you?
This is how I carry my high five when I'm out and about. In a Peppers wrapper. And just stuck at the bottom with some duct tape. This is my favourite time of the ride. like, it probably looks lighter on camera than it actually is. Yeah, it's a little bit darker than that. But I just love it, like birds are just singing, so it's like a really nice summer's evening. Just getting dark, the lights are on my bike. I don't know, I really like this time of night. I like it. Is that Richard? Yeah. Richard's here, so we're gonna carry on. That's the end of the ride. Saying like my legs feel fine, like my lungs feel okay, but I've got a bit of a sore neck. I need to go and get that sorted out. Maybe get another bike fit and see what the prob is. But amazing route. If you ever get a chance to do this one next year, you should, because it's just so good. Fair bit of climbing, pretty views. Like none of it was on main roads, and it was just so good, so good.